sounds,
spelling,
and symbols. What is definition between phonetics and phonology? Phonetic is about the physical aspect of sounds. It studies the production and the perception of sounds, called phones. Phonetics has some subcategories, but if not specified. We usually mean articulatory phonetics, that is, the study of the production of speech, sound by the articulatory and vocal tract by the speaker. Phonology is about the abstract aspect of sounds, and it studies the phonemes. Phonemic transcription adopt the slash. Phonology is about establishing what are the phonemes in a given language. In example, the sound that can bring a difference in meaning between two words.
the discrepancy between spelling and sounds gave rise to a movement of spelling reformers called orthopeists. They want to revise the alphabet so that one letter would correspond to one sound and one sound to one letter, thus creating a phonetics alphabet to simplify spelling. So this the phonetic alphabet from A to Z. Sounds. Sounds is vibration in air that stimulate the nerves inside the ears to create the sensation of hearing. There are 44 sounds, first 12 vowels, second 24 consonants, third 8 diphthongs.
The first, vowel sounds. Vowel or vocal sounds has 12 sound symbols. There are back, back, tall, lot, park, but, birds, about, bed, leg, soon, took.
diphthong sounds. Diphthongs might be a combination of vowel sounds. The first sound in each phoneme is longer and louder than the second. There are A, pay, I, 5, O, home, ow, now, oi, join, ear, near, air, hair, pure.
Consonant sounds. Consonants can be described from three standpoints: the presence or absence of voicing, voiced or voiceless, the manner articulation, and the place of articulation. There are 24 consonants: p, pit, b, bit, t, tap, d, dep, k, cap, g, gap, f, fan, v, van, s, sat, z, zu, man, not, hut, lad, rat, wet, thought, them, shy, tracer, chime, jam, yum, sing.
IPA symbols. IPA or International Phonetic Association is an organization that promotes the scientific study of phonetics and the various practical applications of that science. The IPA's major contribution to phonetics is the International Phonetic Alphabet, a notational standard for the phonetic representation of all languages. IPA used to develop a phonetics alphabet to symbolize the sounds of all languages. So, this is the difference between US and IPA or British phonetic symbol.